struggling to make celestial mechanics and planetary orbits truly comprehensible for young astronomers? DIY Solar System offers an incredibly intuitive and engaging platform, allowing users to construct and interact with their own models of our cosmic neighborhood. This unique application skillfully transforms complex astronomical concepts into hands-on building challenges and real-time simulations, fostering genuine understanding through active exploration. While the initial learning curve for advanced orbital mechanics might require a moment of patience, the core building experience is exceptionally rewarding and visually stunning. This platform genuinely empowers learners to develop crucial spatial reasoning and scientific inquiry skills, laying a strong groundwork for future STEM interest and deeper cosmic appreciation. Consider downloading DIY Solar System to embark on an astronomical adventure. This review offers general educational observations and should not replace personalized professional advice regarding specific astronomy curricula or scientific research.